Let's say you and I give it another shot.
But I guess I'll give it a shot.
I'm here and I'm gonna give it my best shot.
Welcome to English Way. My name is Pascal, and today we will look at the idiom, give it a shot. Wait. Before we continue, what is an idiom anyways? An idiom is a word or phrase that doesn't mean what they literally say. It has a special meaning. You've heard many idioms before, like it's raining cats and dogs, which means it rains a lot. Piece of cake, which means easy to do. Break a leg means good luck. Now we know what is an idiom. Let's stop beating around the bushes and let's look at give it a shot. Does give it a shot literally means you are shooting at something?
Hey, Pascal, try this.
I don't know. I don't really like spicy food.
Come on, give it a shot.
Okay. Now that's just silly. Give it a shot means to give something a try. So if your friend asks you, do you want to try that new restaurant? Instead of saying, sure, let's try it, say, sure, let's give it a shot.
Look at the guy. He's so cute.
Oh, he's quite handsome. You should talk to him.
No, I don't think he will like me.
Oh, come on, just give it a shot. Talk to him.
Oh, really? Can I?
Yes, you can. Give it a shot. Give it a shot.
Okay.
Fighting. Here, you see a girl and her friend encourages her by saying, give it a shot. The word it here means going to the man and talking to him. You can also replace the pronoun it with a different pronoun or a noun, like give him a shot, give kimchi a shot, give Emily in Paris a shot, give our channel a shot. Subscribe to English Way if you learn anything new. And don't forget to click that beautiful like button. Don't forget to keep on learning and have fun.